Today we're going to talk about what are detox foot pads. Detox foot pads are the culmination of centuries of Japanese knowledge that has been passed down through generations. Our detox foot pads have been specifically designed to promote the natural detoxification of chemicals, harmful contaminants, and toxic metals from your body. They work on the same osmotic principle used by the plant kingdom. Tree roots transport water up to the branches through semi-permeable membranes. Similarly, detox foot pads cause the skin to perspire and then draw circulating toxins from the bottom of the feet. The feet are where most of the nerves in the body end, making them the ideal location for cleaning out harmful contaminants, chemicals, and even toxic metals. All these can be expelled through the sweat. What makes our detox foot pads different from the rest is our pads have carbon titanium adhesives which are designed to increase the flow of bioelectricity and blood circulation around the pad to boost its effectiveness. Also, our pads emit far infrared rays and healthy negative ions. Our pads also stimulate more than 60 acupuncture points through the reflexology points on the bottom of each foot. They are also made from all natural tree and bamboo extracts, herbs, and actual gemstones. They're recommended by the Japanese Society of Preventative and Alternative Medicine, and they even come in mylar bags to protect the pads from harmful radiation during shipping. These pads should be applied to both feet before bed and let them work while you sleep. The best approach for addressing the root cause of poor health is through regular body cleansing. Most people absorb thousands of health-depleting toxins every day from the air, food, water, beverages, etc., and never clean the inside of their bodies. For more information on cleansing and detoxifying your home as well as your body, I recommend you read my new book, The Green Body Cleanse, and spend time on our website, www.globalhealingcenter.com. Thank you.